Guys, today we're cooking called papaya with sardines. At first, we put some garlic. Yeah, garlic. It's a very common one to do, right? And then we put some papaya now. And some seconds, not that long, we pour some water, 1 cup. Today, and now we're gonna pour some sardines because
Ito yung pang sahog.
yeah, this is our common dish.
Common din day.
For us.
Sudaan mo na yung mga poor.
No, it's not. It's we are rich. We are rich.
Uy, taka.
We are rich if we have papaya. Because nature, if we have many nature, we are rich that time. We are not rich just about money, okay? Now we're gonna pour some toyo, silver swan soy sauce. Okay. It's a very nice one. No? Now, magic sarap. Huwag palabihin. Baka, buwa. Baba. Huwag katawa dyan. Now, we're gonna wait for 10 minutes, I guess. Yeah, bye. Mix. Now, she's gonna taste if it's yummy or not. True or false? Is it cool? Is it yummy? Huh? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Atar kaya usap ko hong nang ato yan.
Wow, luto na siya. It's a very nice one. You see? You should try this, guys, because it's very healthy, yummy. Nihalong sardinas nga, why, oh. Ano, dami kadyo. Bye.